Guys, welcome back. So now that I've finally gotten rid of the majority of the water that was in there, what I usually do is I would put some olive oil, or sometimes I'll put in some good old sesame oil. Any of these will do. This is kind of numbing. I like all kinds of different oils, veggie oils. Anyway, I'll just dump some of that first, and I'll start the fire. Hopefully not. Just the fire on the stove. We don't want to be starting any fires at all. We've had enough fires in California. We've had enough of fires in California. No more fires. So let's be safe when we do stuff. And let's eat. Let's eat some good stuff when it's ready. And by good stuff, I'm not saying my cooking is amazing or anything. Try not to hurl in the back there. Try not to hurl in the back. Okay, so we got beans, just like the commercial. Got milk, got beans. Got beans. We've got my new favorite vegan cheddar flavored cheese. It looks really strange. Like, you do not expect cheese to be in powder form, but I don't know. Expect the unexpected. Everything's strange these days. Let's get some of that moisture out. Get some of that oil in. Then I'll dump some of my favorite tomato sauce. Yummy tomato sauce. I better get a spoon to finish that off later. This is not gourmet cuisine or anything. This is just an experiment. Experiments are not supposed to be yummy looking. We're just supposed to see if it's for testing purposes only, right? To see if this vegan cheese is good or not. And so far, this is my second day on the vegan cheese, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, if you thought this was a cook show, then you're on the wrong channel. Get out! You're welcome to stay. But you may not like it. Ooh, it's almost ready. Alright, I'm going to dump some of that white stuff, some of that vegan cheese in here. And what it does is, because whenever I cook, I don't put salt and sugar in it. I just leave it as is, because, let's face it, there's salt and sugar in pretty much everything else. All the canned stuff mostly. It already comes with salt and sugar at some point, whether you want it to or not. So you already have all the flavor you need. You don't have to go and buy extra salt and extra sugar and dunk it in there. At least I don't. You might. And if you do, that's fine. I'm not judging here. You do you, I do me. That sounded so bad. Why did I say that? Why did I say that? Anyway, it's almost ready. It smells good to me. And I'm going to have some of this. Might do pasta tomorrow. I might do pasta instead of this tomorrow. And see what that's like. Or noodles. I could put some noodles in here. That would be good too. But right now I'm trying to get as much protein as I am as I possibly can into my muscles. Let's put some good protein into my muscles. Like Popeye the Sailor Man. Hope they don't cancel that show. Anyway. I love Popeye. So yeah, see you in the next one.